Hey docs, my name is Dr. Cheng Ruan. I'm the Physician Transformation Institute Executive Director. We're a nonprofit organization helping doctors achieve that next level personally, spiritually, and AI technology. So, if you're a high achiever, but you kind of feel a bit stuck, knowing you're made for more, whether it's your business or personal life, or financial, or spiritual life, or relationships, what if I told you the answer isn't just another certification, but in learning to ask the right questions? In my session, I'm giving away some free keys where I'll share the impact of exact AI prompts I've created to move from stuck to unstoppable. This isn't about diagnostics or the practice of medicine, it's really about AI for profound self discovery. And I'll show you how to see AI as a force of human reflection and hand you the carving tools to architect a life beyond your current reality and even what you think is even possible. So if you're ready to jump into that, I can't wait to see you in my talk. Chat soon.